Oh my God.
All right. The boys are about to race in the middle of the street. And oh. What's really good, Innocent crew? It's the Innocent Six family, and we're back with another banger. All right, how you doing? How you feeling?
Feeling good, feeling great. How about you, King?
Feeling good, feeling great. How about you, Nana?
Feeling good, feeling great. How about you, Carter?
Feeling good, feeling great. How about you, Kaylee? Feeling good, feeling great. How about you, Mommy?
My baby be correct all the time. Feeling good, feeling great. How are you, Innocent crew? Comment down below. Let us know how y'all feeling on this beautiful day. On the agenda today, it's the weekend. It's turn up time. These kids stay litty. We are going to a birthday party, our niece's birthday party. Everybody say happy birthday, Yazzie.
Happy birthday, Yazzie.
We about to go get lit with Yazzie. She's turning 5. Well, no, she turned 5 because it's her birthday already passed. So her party is today, and we are going to go turn up with Yazzie. So if you like watching
They are getting
vlogs where kids just have fun and turn up and my family can't stay still in the background as usual, be sure to click on that subscribe button. Kaylee, give this video what?
a big thumbs up.
And make that bell go what, y'all?
Yay!
And then there'll be a notification so every time we upload another banger, y'all are up on it. Now come along, follow along. We gotta ride down and go party. Let's go.
I gotta get this room. You ain't never see the big boy grill on the roof. You ain't never see the big boy grill on the roof. And I'm down for you always, crazy. Do you love me? Are you right?
Like you earned it, we popped off when your ex, he deserved.
Okay, Innocent crew, we have arrived to the party. The kids are excited. They are ready. The kids are ready to party. And they're ready to get on the ride. The amusement, jumping thing. Ooh, this is not. Oh, Innocent crew, we didn't do a Christmas morning special, but the boys, Carter and King, got dirt bikes, and we did load up their dirt bikes so they can ride. That's all they want to do nowadays is either playing the game or riding dirt bikes. So we've been inhaling gasoline fumes, about to die because of these damn dirt bikes.
Gotta get that trailer. Watch your head, mama.
All right, come on. Come on, Lee.
Oh, yeah.
And the theme is Under the Sea. So it is a pool party.
Ariel birthday.
Yeah, she is having an Ariel birthday. That's why you got on your Ariel bathing suit. It's Under the Sea theme for our Yazzie pool. let's go find the birthday girl.
I know where she at.
You know where she at? Okay. The birthday girl, how you doing? How you feeling? Okay, go ahead. Boom. All right. Yeah, be careful. Oh, Haley. What did you just do?
A cartwheel.
Oh, do it again. I didn't catch that. I just caught your body all flying. My girl done progressed to doing cartwheels, y'all. Ooh. Ooh.
And ooh.
Don't do no more. Let me see what you got, Yazzie. Let's see what the birthday girl got. Let me see. Ooh, that was nice. Yeah. Both of them was nice, Carter. Y'all be careful, okay, with the flips, because the net is down. Look at you. Ready? Go. Oh. Carter, why don't you get on over there? That's fine. Boy about to make himself dizzy. Okay. How many that was? I stopped counting. You need help? Hold on. Come here. You ready? I'm gonna pull you down, you bounce high. Ready? Good job, baby. Good job. You want to do it? Carter next. You gonna let me bounce you high too? All right. So I'm gonna do it to Carter.
Nice flip, man. Oh my God.
All right, King.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh man, this is
12. I ain't even count.
11.
Only go. Only me playing with my kids' life like that, bouncing them that high.
They done upgraded from electric four-wheelers to electric dirt bikes. Now they got gas dirt bikes. Oh, this one trying to do donuts around us. They bite like now. Here's some innocent boys. All right, innocent crew. The boys are about to race in the middle of the street, and I am the ending point, so we can see who wins fair and square. The silver car. All right, I'm walking to the silver car. It's a good distance. All right, you my second set of eyes to see who win. On your mark, get set. When her hands go down, go. Oh, King! King won. All right, y'all, so King won that race, that time. I'm sure there'll be many more. Back to the party we go. Alright, innocent crew, we're gonna wrap up this vlog. Carter and King, they raced, and the winner was King.
20 backflips in a row.
How many backflips?
20.
King did do 20 backflips in a row. I didn't record it.
In a row, back to back to back to back.
Yeah, back to back to back. I did it on my Instagram. If you're not following my Instagram, it's in the description box. But yeah, if you enjoy watching this vlog, y'all comment down below and say congratulations to King for winning. Them boys bite life. They bite that life.
They own that bite life.
Kaylee just about throwing up gang signs in the video. If you enjoy watching this vlog, go ahead and click on that subscribe button. Kaylee, give this video a what?
A big thumbs up.
And what? And a neighborhood notification so every time we upload another banger, y'all are up on it.
We are out.
Out.